Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming basics and then move immediately to action. Open settings and enable developer options if you plan to use third-party tools. It unlocks more customization choices. Once done, install Good Lock or a trusted navbar theme app from the Galaxy Store because Samsung limits stock edits. Make sure to back up or screenshot your current navigation layout before changing anything so you can revert quickly. This sets a safe baseline and gets you ready to apply icon packs and layout changes now. You now choose the icon set and apply it. Open the customization module, navigation star in Good Lock or the navbar app you installed, and browse available icon packs. Pick one that matches your contrast and size preferences. If you want unique icons, prepare PNGs around 48 to 72 pixels and transparent background, then import them. Once applied, tap Save and force the module to restart, since the system often caches navigation assets. If icons don't appear, toggle the navbar type and toggle back. You finish by verifying and handling common hiccups. Test every control, back, home, recent, and gesture transitions to confirm icon mapping and hit areas match behavior. Adjust padding if taps miss. If icons revert after an update or restart, clear the customization app cache, grant required permissions, or reinstall the module. As a last resort, restore the screenshot backup or reset navigation bar settings to default, then reapply changes step by step. This final check keeps your navbar stable and usable.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.